Hey guys, I just want to show a video on some 12 valve injectors. A lot of people are under the impression that 12 valve injectors don't wear out like common rail stuff, and obviously they don't have fail rate like the other ones do, but they do have fail rate, do have issues. So these injectors here, these injectors are out of a P-pump 12 valve. I kind of mess them up a little, get them out, but I actually have tested, so I already know what's going on with these ones. But I just wanted to show a video of what and this one actually has been, looks like it's been rebuilt at some point. This light's got a number on it, but just to show what they do. So this one, and I have seen this a few times. Get in there. See me pumping it. There is a big crack in it. So the nozzle nut has actually got a crack. In it. I honestly don't know what it's from, but I've seen it a few times over the course of the last little while. So here it is right there. So obviously that injector needs to be replaced. Could rebuild it if you put a new nozzle nut on it and a new nozzle, and then reset your pop pressure. But I wanted to show, I'll show one of these other ones here. Actually, let's do the one that was, this is the one right here. This one has been rebuilt before. So, sorry for the light, it's just the sun's starting to go down and it's shining in the window hard here, but so you can see how it just starts to leak out of there. So usually right now it should just be building pressure and just pop off. And these injectors, I think more than anything, have just done a lot of sitting, has been their issue. So try to do it without spraying the camera here. So that's how this one's spraying. And well, you can actually see it's kind of like, yeah, that last one you could see where it actually sprayed across the keyboard and stuff here, where it wasn't atomizing properly. It's just kind of like a garden hose. So this one, that's actually how it should go. So you can see where it's building the pressure up and it's just popping like it should. Like, so there's, out of this set of injectors, there's one good one. So if you guys are doing any work, you're getting the cylinder head pulled off or anything like that, I would recommend to pull the injector. Well, you have to pull the injectors to have the head surface, or you're doing the head gasket, in my eyes. You really should have them tested, especially if you have somebody around your area that tests them. We charge $35 Canadian per injector to test them. So we clean them and test them. It's cheap insurance. It's awful hard on your engine when you got injector spraying like that. Stuff doesn't run properly. It's slobbery. Runs hot. Burn your motor up for the sake of $600 worth of injectors. Doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, so that's the video for that one. I will show a video the next time I'm rebuilding the set. I'll show a video of me rebuilding them. They're actually pretty simple. With, let's say, $400 worth of tools, you could rebuild them yourself. Buy good equipment. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Help the channel out. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, so we can start adding some YouTube money, I guess you would say, to the channel, so we can do some cool stuff, do some giveaways, that type of stuff. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment down below. If you want to message me about anything, hit me up on Instagram. That's the easiest one. It's Cutterup Rob. Or you can message me in the comments down below. All right. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.